here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1985 Jeep CJ-7. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actually been with the same family or person within the family for over 30 years. Inline 4.2 liter underneath the hood. That actually runs on propane. Manual transmission. Odometer reads a little over 50,800, believed to be original miles. Check out all the still pictures of this vehicle on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, this is going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the big Mickey Thompsons. Now, as far as paint and some of that goes, no, it's not perfect. Hey, it's a Jeep. Get this thing off-road, drive it, have a little fun with it, use it what it's made for. Or if you just want to cruise around in the summer, keep it on the roads, that's fine too. Some extra, shouldn't say extra, some things that will come with this is, looks like a sound bar there, a little aftermarket tail lights, some miscellaneous parts. We'll put those back in here and send them along with it. Of course, bucket seats. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As far as the propane tank shutoff is about right under here. There's a dial, of course. Screw top. I will tighten it up. You'll be able to see that in the underside pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. I'll open the hood. We'll take a look at that engine bay. This little yellow tape we had in here was for the note for closing the propane valve when not in use. Vinyl seats. Look like they're free of rips, tears, holes. I think it's just going to be easiest for me to reach in here and start this up. So make sure we're in neutral. There we go. There you can see what the odometer reads, 50,902. We have a few aftermarket gauges, looks like over there. Oil pressure. Punk aftermarket stereo system, water temp, of course, the rest of the control dials. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Sounds like you expect. Normal CJ-7 sound, inline 6. All right, let me slip up to the front here. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open. I want to show you the engine bay. And then don't forget, too, at the end of this video, we'll do a little driving video with this and kind of see what it's like going down the road. Kind of take a virtual ride along, if you will. All right, hood popped. I wanted to mention a few service things that were recently done in this, too. This does have new rear wheel cylinders, as well as rear brakes and hardware were just recently done. So there it is, 4.2 liter inline 6. Looks like it's got a newer master cylinder here also. Smooth runner, and again, runs on propane. Basically in the same family for over 30 years. 1985 Jeep CJ-7. Call us 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Hey!
Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1985 Jeep CJ-7. This Jeep is very open, as in we don't have doors. We don't have any windows to put that camera on, so you got a nice view from the rear today. This Jeep runs on propane. It is a fun machine. Lifted a little bit with some bigger tires. We'll see if you can hear me talking when we're going. Great.